ba dire? Salvatore Ferragamo. I'm gonna go upstairs. May Gucci dito. May Gucci over there. And then the other side is Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton right there. They're so open. Balenciaga. These bags here are Balenciaga bags. This one is Coach bag. This here is Gucci store. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Gucci store. Balenciaga bag. Here is the Gucci store. Gucci store. This one is Dior. Yeah, Christian Dior. Dior bag. This one is Fendi. Got these nice Fendi bags right here. Fendi bag. So pretty in here. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Upstairs is where all the cosmetics. Smells so good over here. I got Giorgio Armani. Lumber. Oh. There's Clinique over here upstairs. Estee Lauder. Mga high-end brand of cosmetics. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, Hermes. There's the Hermes. Yeah, Hermes Cosmetics. I thought Hermes only got bags. Oh my god, look at this one. Look at all these crystals. Ah, it's so pretty. Oh, this one is Chanel Cosmetics. Jo Malone. So upstairs, the second floor, there are all cosmetics like perfume and makeup and all that stuff. There's a Dior Cosmetics over here. There's Tom Ford Cosmetics. It's so nice over here.
Yeah.
And there's the Givenchy Cosmetics. There's the Gucci Cosmetics. This one is the Gucci Cosmetics. Look at that. Perfume. And Christian Louboutin. Christian Louboutin Cosmetics. I'm gonna wait for my friend and then we're gonna start checking out the products. It's so pretty over here. I'm sure you can see.